click. I don't want no man way.
Yes, you didn't look good. You don't look good again.
Yeah, come over, come close. And I picked one by Skilly Bang called Crocodile Teeth.
Welcome to the new social media countdown. Ready?
Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Put your back.
Box cover, this is DBS and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. The first social media countdown of 2022. Now, readers, I am sure you must wonder where the box foot has Barry been. Barry has been living life. Barry has been sorting out his mental health, working on a couple projects, because I want when I return to him, I'm just kind of back in the game and my energy is right where it is supposed to be. So anyway, let us get into the first top 10 countdown of 2022. Oh, and by the way, let me just go and tell you this, there will be some changes, and one of them is that I am no longer using the chipmunk voice, that fine voice for the countdown going forward. So this is just a regular voice, so just get used to it. But anyway, let's get into the top 10 countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Ribbit Wars. My word. So, Burritos, Jamaica don't need no more problem. So there is something called, wait name, the Cuban tree frog, and it is most poisonous, hazardous to people. And so I saw this post from Television Jamaica's Twitter, and this is what it read. So it says, experts warn the Cuban tree frog is having a detrimental effect on Jamaica's environment. So if you see one, kill it. To do so, capture the frog in a scandal bag and put it in a freezer. Substances are also sold by pest control companies that kill the animal. So TVJ News posted that, and everybody has just since been saying, wait there, we must take one nasty little something called a frog and put in our good freezer, but whatever meat, we mix parts and mutton and all kind of things in there, we must put frog in there. Why the fridge? You know, I think me even saw one girl that said something about like set good like the frog in a freezer. And then also the question of, aren't scandal bags banned in Jamaica? So where was supposed to quote unquote get scandal bags from? Okay, I didn't know, as usual, I continued my research and I found this video.
So I noticed a number of people asking why Rooster and them friend them say put the frog in the fridge. So why we do it is because in North America you normally have to put down the animals in a humane way. And one of them, when I mean humane, it die without feeling pain. So normally what happens to animals like frogs now, when you put it, when it gets cold, it lock down its metabolic rate. And when it gets too cold now, it might die. So we normally put frogs in a bag. We normally put a chemical like benzocaine, we don't have it out here. We put the bag in the freezer, and then what happens is, as it gets colder, the frogs set down the metabolic rate and it sleep peacefully. And I like what some of love to salt and we throw alcohol and all of those stuff. That.
Alright, Burritos, I want to hear from you. Will you be going out in search for the Cuban tree frog? Will you actually be putting it inside of your fridge? Or will you be doing the Jamaican thing, which is for just throw some salt on it and watch it kind of dissolve and melt? Sound off below.
Jesus, looking at me. Kim, you look like it's a good jump. Hi.
Number 9, sideman duties. Alright, Burritos, so I saw this video, I saw it on Instagram, and this brother, I guess, was detailing a scenario, kind of like, you know, like showing how him care about him day-to-day life as a sideman. Take a look.
B, when me a call if you tell us saying, I tell us last night when me did over your yard, I say me go in the fridge and me never like how the fridge look. So just come link me and me have a 15,000 for you buy some groceries put in the house. See me? You can split the money into two, yeah. buy some things here, man, and buy some things me. A Heineken me drink, so put one 6-pack of Heineken. I just say a jug on your man drink, right? Alright, buy a 6-pack for him. I don't know me no eat meat, so buy when me want and buy what him want. You see me? And put my things on one side in the fridge and put him thing on one side in the fridge. You see me? You don't know what teamwork make a G-work. So I say I'm blank with this. Alright, now I'm tell you, man. Just come collect the money and buy grocery them. I'm on dinner tomorrow. You see me? A pasta more. Tomorrow Sunday a pasta more. I don't want raw veg.
Alright, burritos. I'd love to hear from you. Is this how your sideman kind of move entitled? Should a sideman operate like this and feel like him a part of the family? Sound off below. Alright guys, I have some very exciting news to share. Some time ago, you know, I had the program called DBS Exclusive where I talked to creatives, and you know, I did a couple of interviews, but you know, before the pandemic, I decided to try to level it up a bit and to just test out what enhancing that program could look like. And so I teamed up with PBCJ, and now there will be a new season of DBS Exclusive. Take a look. Box cover, this is Duttyberry, and I have something to share with you guys. I have a show that is called DBS Exclusive. When did you realize that you had some sort of like talent?
When I go prep school and I dance, I could dance.
Berry, Mrs.
Two the video start for viral. Now this is where I talk to content creators from Instagram to YouTube to TikTok to Twitter, finding out about their story and their journey.
To even study and to become a videographer, photographer, the practice and the work that goes into it is valuable.
I just try to just remember who it is that I am at my core, and I will make mistakes.
While I bring my Duttyberry flavor and have some very cool fun. Go to the party and them look something.
I have 2 goats and a
going to be on PBCJ every Sunday evening, so I can kick back and relax while I'm eating a dinner and watch some good, entertaining fun. DBS Exclusive. Peace out. You know, I'll be posting the video on my YouTube channel on Sundays as well, so I can't wait for you guys to watch. I'd love to hear your guys' feedback, and hopefully you enjoyed it just as much as you did enjoy and support the previous season. Number 8, Koffee pick. No, people, oh my gosh. So Koffee posted this picture right here upon Instagram story, and it definitely show her flaunting her. What is how much pack this right here now? Like, hold on. Count how much pack, because hold on. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think this is about a 6-pack. This looks like a solid 6-pack effort where Koffee have right now. And she posted that picture because it was just a random Wednesday, and Koffee just felt like posting a thirst trap picture.
my friend.
No, you're not for ask that the minute Koffee dropped that picture on the internet, it sent everyone ablazing, because it's like people, I don't know, I think Koffee honestly just knows how to trigger people, and she just do them look at something there and just watch people have a whole entire firestorm.
Under the pressure.
I mean, this is a little thirst trapping Koffee are going with, like, this look like she a flaunt the lockdown body. Now, as usual, I know that some people I say all kind of things. We say, yo, she probably do stuff for get rid of her tatas. But I'd love to hear from you, burritos. What you think of the picture? You think people must just lower her alone? Or you think so the whole of Jamaica need to have, what you call it, shares in what Koffee does with her body? Sound off below.
Ready? Come down.
Sing the song, Anthony.
Baby, come over.
Number 7, car balling. Alright, so I saw this video, you know, and I guess, you know, regular Jamaican road, you have car accident to go on, but not oftentimes you see someone react like this.
Go back the road. God! Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ!
Of course, yeah, every day. Randy, I look for your scene, you know?
Alright, Maritas, do you think that this brother was overreacting, or do you think, say, yo, car parts expensive, and so you feel the brother pain, and how he was reacting was definitely justified? Sound off below. Alright, number 6, Ramesh versus Popcorn. Alright, so Maritas, so Shenseea dropped the music video for her single Lick, featuring Meg Thee Stallion. Now, we soon talk about that. We soon talk about it, so hold on, because I have a lot of things to say about that music video and single. But anyway, so the song drops in, and I think, you know, Shenseea make our post, and Popcorn decided to Jim Screech him way to the comment section and left the comment, why? Why? So then that prompted Shenseea to reply to Popcorn saying, stop going like you not do it. Oh, Jesus, no. No, Shenseea, yeah, ramp rough. When Mr. Shenseea said this, Mr. Jesus Pim, Shenseea don't know Popcorn, you know. Popcorn look like him, we tell her some things, and hey. So I was just there sitting and waiting for Poppy to respond. And respond he did, because then he clapped back with this, saying, at Shenseea, don't mix me up with your Indian manager. But hold on, it never stopped there, so. You see, right after Popcorn dropped the bomb there, the clap backification went to new heights, because Ramesh joined the chat and he said, at Popcorn music, laughing emoji. Yes, you know, cause remember, I me teach you. Ha! The unruly way. So, Maritas, I'd love to hear, what did you make of all of this? Do you think that they're just friends having fun and just, you know, like go on, keeping up like antics for the festivities of social media life? Would you have been cool with this? Can you ramp rough like this with your friends? Sound off below. Number 5, Marion talks. My word, my sentence. So people, I have to tell you about this, because the tea here, I feel like it piping hot. This has to do with Marion Hall, formerly known as Lady Sa, the queen of dancehall. Now, she took to her, you know, every week or every now and then she have her little service or go on online. And this time, she decided to talk about and mention the current slew of dancehall acts.
Shenseea, your band look good. You didn't need anything else. What's wrong with you? Listen, you didn't look good. You don't look good again. You messed up yourself. You follow fashion. I don't care if you like me or not. The devil is a liar, and the devil is lying to you. When things start pop down and every branches are drop off and you can't catch up, what you gonna do? You have your children to live for, to see your grandchildren. Come on! When the children go to school, people laugh and talk about you. Come on now. The only way you should be seen in that manner is if a man video you unknowingly.
And let me just tell you this. Mama saw she never hold her mouth. She never hold her mouth. No time.
Things that you should have in your bedroom, you gone out, but Lady Saw bring bed down at Sunfest. You gonna bring bed now? It played out. Get it in your head, somebody need to tell you. Yeah? Oh, God of glory.
Yes, they kind of come out very strong. I feel like that was not 100% Marion Hall. That was like a 50-50. I feel like the Lady Saw would carry feelings to Spice and have a little feelings that she's not in the dancehall space no more. Like, that did in the little preaching. I'm not lying. I feel like there's a little tupsa and Marion Hall we feel like she want jumping back. You know, she kind of want jumping back, but she's too deep in the Christian thing. She can't really do it. But a part of her knows that she's still lyrical, and so she could have still give the girl a run for her money. But you know, she have to just say, well, I choose God now, so I have to just park it. But one like a part of her want to jump in and done the girl them the rightful way, or should I normally do it?
You can be, I'm not forcing you to be a Christian, yeah? I would love for you. But people can sing songs. Look at Bob Marley, you see how long? I pray that I had sing some songs like those.
The kingdom lost, all kind of things the lady said, but at the end, I think she mentioned, say it was all love. Now, the only thing that me have to comment there is that she actually did talk about herself, and so she never just threw the woman them under the bus. So she mentioned herself and said she wishes she did change. So I don't have a problem.
Jada Kingdom, I see you. You weak. You weak. You weak little girl. Shenseea, you pretty but you weak. Spice you played out. Only this thing done with.
And so let's just see if these ladies will react to Marion Hall's statements and her request. Let's just see. Only time will tell. But apart from me feel like ladies are one pop up, but just one time for the culture. You know? Like how Megan Good is kind of back in the streets. Number 4, Skilly Sarah. Alright, Marita, so, you know, Sarah has been making the rounds on social media because she have a very Scottish type of accent. I don't know if it's Scottish, British. She has that very Mary had a little sort of presence, and we find it very delightful when she sings dancehall music because it just makes for comedic gold. So recently she tried her hand at Skilly Bang's monster single Crocodile Teeth. Take a listen.
Me brain's like rotted, your man are east side. Middle day with the pig, goosey with the case, flicky with the second hill. Mini K, shot a ricochet, people face like BPM, shot a beat him and people face. Shot her.
No, Maritas, I don't know what we're going to do with Sarah. I do not know what I'm going to do with Sarah. But right about now, I feel like Sarah needs to try one different song. What song would you recommend that Sarah try next? Sound off in the comments. Number 3, Marshall's expecting. No, Wayne Marshall and Tommy Chin. Wayne Marshall and Tommy Chin. When me are telling you, you know, like, them love each other. Them love each other because it's like once they're in the same space, them can't resist. Them are going to just DJ Khalid, another one. It's just like, my God, Bomber Drop, another one. That is just the Marshall way. When Marshall did sing Good Love, like, my gosh. What on a secret? Like, we're loving it right now, you know. We're loving it. So, Tommy Chin and Wayne Marshall posted a video that they're actually expecting another baby, another child. Tommy is pregnant. So many people online were just so happy, so delighted, so we were just like feeling the love. But what everybody kind of want now, even though you know for really kind of say them little things here, the whole of Jamaica open pray say is a girl. Like, yeah man, Tommy is like, you want the little Tessan and Tommy love, they like, it's like we are open pray say is a girl, you know, like we just, come on man, come on. Come feel like that's why Tommy go again, you know, me don't know. Maybe a God say and say, yo, I could just give her the girl right now because maybe the two of them want it. Zine? So let me just pray, even though if it's a boy, yeah, praise be to God. But on behalf of the Berritos, then we're gonna just bust a prayer right now, just in case, like we don't know if it might work. Dear Father, thank you. For another day. Tommy and Wayne Marshall, they are an awesome couple. Please to just keep them safe, keep them together, keep them out of the mix-up like Kanye West and Kim Kardashian. Keep them out of the drama like Will and Jada. Just keep them united. Just preserve them love. Bind them up together so that they will stay with each other and never depart. And as for this young one that Tommy is carrying right now, I don't know if Tommy really wants this girl baby. Probably she does. Maybe Wayne wants a little girl for himself as well. So if it is to be, make it happen, Father God. Okay? You know, make sure just go through this entire thing with being healthy and that the baby will be healthy and just, you know, keep them safe. In your name I pray, amen. Yeah man, that is a prayer for the bitches because yeah, like honestly, this is a type of content, wholesome content that many of us don't see often in Jamaica, and so they are a blessing. Like their presence is a blessing. Big up on yourself, the Marshalls. Okay. Number 2, Come Over by Casino. My word, my sentence. So Berritos, this music video has been rocking Jamaica because of this new dancehall artist that goes by the name of Casino and his single called Come Over. Now, take a listen.
Yeah, come over, come closer, me not got corona.
Alright, so that is the song, and from you see the image, you know, the brother look, some people are saying look like Shrek, him one look like, me no know, people are saying all kind of things, the devil with the hand, them like, he does have a very, Grinchy type of look, but me not gonna lie, you know, the song actually have a little buzz. Me can't go around that. Me can't go around the song, me they expect it to sound really awful when we see the pictures and the little snap, the little shots of the video, or when we check it out, me could actually listen to the song. Baby, come over. But the whole entire backstory is that this brother apparently was he did gospel music some years ago, was a JCDC gospel entrant, and then he switched up the look, started bleach, and he's now sporting a significantly lighter complexion. No, he actually went and did an interview with Anthony Miller, which he spoke about, you know, things in detail, saying that he met in an accident, and I guess the doctor recommended that he bleach so that it could help to even out his tone. Me don't know how true that be, but if him say true, we just have to just work with it until the doctor come out and says otherwise.
Touch me, baby, come over.
In the middle of that now, he is taking on a whole Superman persona, and I'm just like, okay, I'm just hoping that he's not a gimmick. He's been saying that he's very talented, so I actually want to see his follow-up singles and see if they will be good, and maybe he can cement himself in the dancehall space for 2022. So, Berrydos, I'd love to hear from you. What do you have to say about Casino? What do you think about him song? You're going to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Sound off below.
Hey guys, you don't know, so it's a girl Shenseea, and you're watching Duttyberry Social Media Countdown. Keep it locked.
And number one goes to Shenseea's Lick. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. You know, I thought I was going to stop that for 2022, but let me just do it right now. But anyway, number one goes to Shenseea's music video, new single with Meg Thee Stallion called Lick. No, Berrydos, let me just show you a little piece, just in case you've been living under a rock.
Want me a mouth?
Alright, so that is the music video, and it has been getting more of a mixed reviews, but many of the reviews that I am seeing is that people really love the track. Shenseea, I love Shenseea. I understand that, you know, Shenseea is going into the pop market now, and she had tried different things, but me personally, me not really love the song. Me not love the song, but it's because of Shenseea. And me love Brand Jamaica. Me go just like, yo, me listen to the song, me stream it same way because I support, I saw it go. I would prefer having one Shenseea over there than no Shenseea over there and represent in the pop market. So me go support her same way because I feel like maybe the other singles would be more to my liking because clearly somebody is loving it. I love the Megan Thee Stallion part, but I felt like after a little while, they put you back in part, they get a little Clyde. But me just know Shenseea have other songs, and every artist and all of them songs we ever like. Because me not even in love when Beyonce they do 7-11, but me listening so much till after a little while. The song grew up on me when Nicki Minaj they put out was it Massive Attack or something like Pum Pum Chimana. People never did like the song there, but after a little while people they kinda get into the groove and then she drop another song and you just move on. I just saw it go. So I am still sticking with Shenseea. I feel like, you know, this is a big deal for her to get an international act such as Meg Thee Stallion, Meg sticking true to her word and giving her this collaboration. It has to be an amazing feeling, and I'm proud for Shenseea. I'm proud to see Shenseea in that sort of space. So all we have to do right now is to just rally around her, give her some encouragement so that, you know, she will just grow and be the pop icon that we know she can be. That's all me have to go say.
Put your back in it. The whining queen straight from Trinidad. Bless them up, no man. And I wanna say, I'm a woman, I love to support women. A woman feels great. But I like when killers fight on each other, because yes, when killers fight on each other, ugly them ugly. And yes, that's straight. We like women with support each other, support other women. We support each other business. We stand up for each other. So any waste man want to come talk about the talk to all of we. So pick up yourself, Dennis. Thank you so much for clearing my song. You never fight me. You put on your hand and help me up, and I want to just give you up. Thank you.
I just want to say thank you so much to Shenseea and the whole team.
So big up yourself, Shenseea, on this single called Lick. Hopefully we get to see more songs that really show off your wittiness and just your wordplay game. And you know, like, yeah, that's all I want to say from you, Shenseea. Just continue to do your thing and for just listen to the criticism and improve. That is all. Let go the ego, just humble yourself and just keep doing you, because your history don't show, say, you know, make nothing hold you down. That is all I have to say. That's it, Berritos. We've come to the end of another top 10 social media countdown, the first social media countdown of 2022. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, as well as to turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what is your favorite part of the social media countdown. Now, starting now, I will be highlighting the comments of the week. So if you want to be featured as the comment of the week, leave a comment right here and I'll take a screenshot of your comments and highlight it in the next social media countdown video. Yeah, man, you get your own personal big up. Also, when you have done that, make sure you share the video with your friends. If you want to follow me on my social media, it is at DBS on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. If you want to advertise within the social media countdown, send me an email to bookings.DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, uncover all the topics like a hymn name. Pod cover, mix up.